Friends, my name is Saksham Singh, your computer teacher. Let's start the second chapter. Learn to use Windows 10. Windows 10 is a computer operating system by Microsoft as a part of its Windows family of operating system. So first of all, what is operating system? Operating system is the system which is used to drive the computers, or which is the main part of the computer run to run its programs and all the necessary items. Just like as you see, or there are two types. First is hardware and another is software. These are the two main components of a computer. With the help of both, the computer can run. So or hardware means your equipments like CPU, monitor and anything else. And the software is the driver, or we can say is the set of instruction which helps in running the hardware. So both are necessary. So in computer like Windows 10, Windows XP, all these are known as the operating system. So now moving forward, this is the icon, this is the page of your Windows 10 desktop. These are the, as you see, these are the icons. Okay, these are the icons, and this is the start bar. All the programs which are installed in your computer, as when you click on this start button, all the programs, as you see this type, you will see all the programs which are installed in this computer. Okay, this is the search button. It is also called as Cortana search bar. You write anything in there, like if you want to search or to want to open a paint program, type here paint like this. With the help of keyboard, the paint option will appear and you will click on this paint button and your paint program will be open. It's also, this is the symbol of microphone. There is an option available. When you tap this button, you want to speak MS Paint like that, and the MS Paint option will be appear there. Okay, now next is pinned application. All your application which you are frequently used, so these are pinned application. And this is the taskbar, and this is the notification area. All the like time and many other things, like your Bluetooth is open or not, your Wi-Fi is open or not, and Windows firewall, all these options are available there. Okay, now come to the next point. These are the desktop area can be divided into 6 parts: desktop icon, search, pinned application, start button, task bar and notification area. All of you understand that? Now come to the next point, is File Explorer. File Explorer is the file management application used by Windows operating system to browse or locate folders and file. File Explorer means if you want to locate or to browse some file or folder, you can use this. Okay, as you see, this is the file ribbon, File Explorer ribbon. Okay, this is used like frequent folders which you are mostly used. Frequent folders means those folders which you are oftenly used for every time or sometimes. Okay, recent files are those files which you have last used. Okay, now next, these are the navigation. This is the navigation pane. Navigation pane means if you want to go to the desktop, click desktop. Go to the download, click on this download button. If you go to the documents, pictures, music, screenshot, videos, PC, desktop, documents, all you, when if you want to go directly from this is also known as the quick access. Quick access means if you want to directly go to that part of the computer. Okay, now come to the next point, this PC folder. This PC folder is replaced by the My Computer folder. In previous Windows there is a folder of My Computer, but in this Windows 10, My computer is replaced with this PC folder. All the data is stored in this PC folder. As you see, these are this yellow color marks like this, and these are known as the folders. Okay, now these are the division in your computer hard disk. As you see, there are 3 division: C, D and E. C is used for the installation or for the storage of your operating system. All the operating system is stored in this local disk C, and in local disk D or E you want to store any of your choice. If you want any like music, videos, movies, anything of your choice, you have to install in these 2 folders. And in C folders, all the programs which are installed in your computer is stored in this C folder. And this is again, it drive is DVD RW. If you insert any CD in the computer, so click on this button and your CD will be open. Okay, this is also the same as the file explorer button, quick access toolbar. Okay, all of you understand that? Now come to the next point, what is files and folder. So first of all is folder. A folder is a location for organizing and storing file. So if as you know, I have teaching in class 2nd to class 8. So if I want to make some question papers or some study material for class 4th, for example, so I make folder like this: class 2nd, class 3rd, class 4th, class 5th, class 6th. So so it will be easy for me if I want something for the class 4th. So I directly select the class 4th folder, and when in this folder I have stored some files and some folders also. So it will be easy for me to create folders for the convenience for me. Okay, so first of all, how to create a folder? This is in any location you want, in my PC location or in desktop. Right click the mouse button in the blank space. Right click the mouse button in the blank space. A pop-up window appear like this. In this window, click on this new, bring the cursor in new, and you will see there are number of options available. Click on the folder button. A folder box like this is open, and some bluish color over there. You can write the folder name also with the help of keyboard, like class 4th. Okay, all of you understand? So next is file. A file is a collection of related information stored together on some storage device. For example, if you create a image, create a picture in MS Paint, you've saved it, click on this file button and save button, and your file has been saved. But this file is MS Paint file, or its format is like JPEG or GIF or anything else. Or when you create a document in MS Word, you type anything, type a letter, and when you save this Word file, this is a Word file. This is text and anything. Okay, all of you understand it? Now, opening a file or a folder. There are 2 options for opening a file and a folder. Double click on this folder. Double click on this folder, your folder will be open. Or double click on this file, your file will be open. Or another option is right click on this folder option, and there are number of options available, and the first option is available is open. Click on this open button, your folder will be open, same as with the file. Okay, now come to the next point, renaming a file or a folder. So you have a choice to rename your file or a folder. If you want to rename a folder, right click on this folder, right click on this folder, a list will appear, and in this list select the rename button. When you click on this rename button, then there is an option available for your folder to rename it. Type another name for the folder to rename that folder. Okay, all of you understand it? Same as with the file. Now come to the next point, creating a shortcut. So there is an option to create a shortcut of your file or a folder. Like you have to, you install a game and this is the installation process, and your game is installed in the local disk C. But if you frequently open this file of your game, it's a simple file, okay, so then you will create a shortcut of your file. While creating a shortcut, click on the file, and there, as you see in your book, click on the file and there is an option available to send to, and this in send to desktop create shortcut. Click on this desktop create. Okay, now selecting multiple files. Okay, there are number of options for selecting multiple files. If you want to select all the files in the deck like this, all the files if you want to select in a folder, so press Ctrl key, hold the Ctrl key and press the A alphabet key in your keyboard. Or another option is click the left mouse button and drag your mouse and selecting all the files. Okay, if you want to select one by one, so first of all select one file and hold the Ctrl key and click on the files which you want to select. Your multiple files have been selected. Dragging and selecting multiple files, same as if you select these multiple files, if you want to drag it means from one place to another. If you want to change their location, hold the left mouse button and drag these files in your mouse pad. Okay, now another is selecting multiple files without dragging the mouse. Click the first file and then press and hold the shift key. While holding down the shift key, click on the last file that you want to select. Selecting files that are not grouped together, click on the first file and then press and hold the Ctrl key. While holding down the Ctrl key, click each of other files that you want to select. Now deleting the files of folder. So deleting is very simple. Select the file and in keyboard press the delete key, or if you want to delete with the help of mouse, right click on the file and there is a list available. In this list there is an option of delete. Press the delete option with the help of mouse. Okay, all of you understand it? Now next is moving files from one location to another. If you want to move a file from one location to another, select the files and then right click on that file and there is an option available, cut option. Click on this cut option and move and open the file open the location of these files are to be moved, and in this location right click on the blank space and click on the paste option. This will move your files from one place to another. Now copying file from one location to another, process is same, but the difference is when in place of cut you will click on the copy option, and in the next area where you want to copy these files, click the right mouse button and click on the paste option. Your files has been copied. Okay, now next is title bar icons in Windows 10. There are 4 types of icons in your Windows 10. First of all, this is the minimize button. If you when you click on this minimize button, your any window which is open is minimized in the task bar. Okay, when you click on this close button, your window has been closed. And another, there are 2 points is maximize and restore down. Maximize means when your file is like just this small, when you click on this maximize button, your file will be in your full screen. And when you click on this restore button, your file will be restored to the previous size like this. Okay, all of you understand it? Now do exercise with yourself. After some time I will send the solution of these exercise and question answers. Okay, thank you.